All right, creating this short little video just to help you guys through the Go Formative that I'm going to be using for this homework. I think it's really good because under normal homeworks, I can't see how you guys graph, but using this, I can. So as you can see, you can use it on your Chromebook, on an iPad, or with your phone. It'll just look a little bit differently depending on what you're doing. Since I know all of you have the Chromebooks, I'm going to be using the Chromebook version, okay? So this is what it should look like to you. On the left here, it'll have like graph and quadratics. It's what it would look like basically if you just had the paper version. And over here on the right, you have some multiple choice things and some things that say show your work. Okay, these are the questions. The questions are on here, but I've transferred them over here. It's kind of like Mastery Connect, where you'll have like a document over on the left, and then on the right you have questions that it's asking you. So I'm not going to give you the answers, obviously, for the homework, but let's just say that you're going through and we'll do this like normal. So 1, 2, and 3 refer to the 1, 2, and 3 here. So 1, 2, and 3, all three of these questions pertain to this first question on the document, okay? So question 1a asks, what is the vertex of the graph? Well, it's asking you about this equation right here, the parentheses x plus 2 squared minus 1. So what you would do is on a scrap piece of paper, you'd calculate, do whatever you need to do to find that, and then let's just say I think it's at 0, 0. So I enter 0, 0. Number 2 is also referring to this same question because it's 1b. So what is the y-intercept? You would do your calculations, whatever you need to do. Let's just say it's also 0, 0. Here's the part that is good for the graphing. 1c, okay, refers to this, still part of question 1. But it says graph the quadratic, make sure you include the vertex, the y-intercept, its reflection, and one other point and its reflection. Okay, so what you do for this one, all the graphing questions, you click on show your work, and this is what will pop up, a coordinate plane with some options on the side. So what you would do is you do your work, you find the vertex, the y-intercept, its reflection, and probably the x-intercepts, if you can. Go over to this. This is the colors that you're using, like your pencil. I'm going to create the biggest dot I can. Let's just say that the vertex for this one was right here. So I'm going to make a dot there. The y-intercept we said was at 0, 0. So I'll do it there. Let's say its reflection point was here. And then maybe I did these 2 points here. So after doing all the work, you would just graph it. That's a bad graph, but you get the point. But you would graph it on here, okay? And I'm doing it fast, but try and make it a little nicer than what I made it, okay? So this is available through Google Classroom. I set it all up through Google Classroom, so you shouldn't need to create an account. If you have any problems with it, just email me, though, and we'll work it out.